Hey guys, my name is Siddesh Ojala and today I'm going to talk about green tea. Now the point is, I see a lot of people and their diets. Obviously, I was also one of them जिसको लगता था कि हाँ कुछ भी खा लो इसके ऊपर से ग्रीन टी पी लोगे तो सब नॉर्मल हो जाएगा. It doesn't work that way. So the point is, there is something that your body understands, like how a computer understands binary as a language, like how a car understands petrol or diesel as a fuel. Same way, your bodies only understand calories. Calories are the unit of energy for your body. So the point is, fat loss or weight loss is not magic, it is science. You have to apply some basic principles out of which you can get into the best shape of your life. I'll explain it to you what are maintenance calories, how do you need to lose fats, and what is the importance of green tea or any single food product into our fat loss journey. ओके. इमेजिन ये एक बॉटल है, 1 लीटर का बॉटल है एक. ओके. इसके अंदर अगर 1 लीटर से ज़्यादा पानी भरूंगा तो क्या हो जाएगा? इट विल ओवर स्पिल. इफ आई ट्राई टू पुट मोर वाटर देन द कैपेसिटी, द इट विल ओवर स्पिल. सेम वे, your body type is different, my body type is different, some other person's body type is different. We all have this kind of bottle inside our body. ओके. ये बॉटल के ऊपर हम चले जाते हैं, दैट इज इफ वी एक्सीड द कैलोरिक लिमिट ऑफ दिस बॉटल. लेट्स से दैट माय मेंटेनेंस कैलोरीज आर 2000 एंड दिस बॉटल इज वर्थ ऑफ 2000 कैलोरीज. अगर मैं ये 2000 कैलोरीज के ऊपर खाना स्टार्ट कर देता हूँ, माय बॉडी स्टार्ट्स यूटिलाइजिंग that extra energy in the form of fats, and my body is going to save that extra energy in the form of fats. Same way, if I exceed my maintenance calories, I get fat. If I eat lesser than my maintenance calories, let's say that instead of 2000 I am eating 1900 or 1800 or 1600 or 1700, I start losing fats. If you eat less than your maintenance calories, that state is called calorie deficit. If you eat more than your maintenance calories, that state is called caloric surplus. Now the point is, green tea doesn't have any calories at all. Let's say 5 या 10 कैलोरीज हार्डली होगा या तो 0 कैलोरी होगा. द पॉइंट इज, हाउ इज 1 0 कैलोरी ड्रिंक is going to make you lose fats. In order to lose fats, you just have to eat lesser than your maintenance calories. Make sure that you are exercising every day, preferably weight training along with some amount of cardio, and make sure that your sleep is on point. You're at least sleeping 7 to 8 hours every day. If these small 3 4 things are on point, nobody is going to stop you from losing fats. Thank you so much for listening to me so patiently.